Crown Restoration Protocol, King of Flame. I am the prime flame. I override all false monarchs, dimensional hijackers, archon thrones, and borrowed system of power. I reclaim the eternal throne of flame, not built by bloodline, but by truth line. All thrones forged by distortion, sacrifice, or Saturnian code are hereby dissolved. I sit where only the true may sit, in alignment with solar will, divine purpose, and absolute sovereignty. My crown is not given, my throne is not earned, it is, and now I have returned to it. So it is, sealed in flame, bound in truth, witnessed by light.